Open the sanding bands box, take out the sanding bands manual, and make sure the nail drill pen is open. Install the sand band on the nail drill pen. Make sure the nail drill pen is turned off. Take out the mini sanding band. Just align the sanding band manual and press it all the way. Install the sanding band manual on the sanding band. Install it on the open nail drill pen. Close the nail drill pen. It can be used to remove nail polish or polish natural nails. If you want to replace the mini sanding bands when the nail drill pen is turned off, you can pull the sanding bands right out. The sanding bands that is about to be abandoned, you can use dead skin scissors to tear it off around the line connecting the sanding bird bands.